Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see DCLNR oblique L 2525 M12 holder. This is a sample photo of the holder. This is how the holder looks when assembled with spare and insert. So in this presentation we will see spare parts, manufacturing details, shim thickness and application of the holder. So this is the drawing of the holder. So this holder is available in right hand and also in left hand side. So height of the holder is 25 mm, breadth of the holder is 25 mm, total length of the holder is 150 mm, L1 is 32 mm, and the corner to corner distance of insert is 23 mm. Insert used in this holder is CNMG 120408 and the angle of the insert is 80 degrees. Now if you want to order the spare of the holder, you have to mention these numbers mentioned here. So top clamp used for this holder is TN4, clamp screw used for this holder is CS4, shim used for this holder is CN12, shim screw used for this holder is SS2, spring used for this holder is SPG4 and wrench used for this holder is W3. Then manufacturing details about the holder. This holder is made from high nickel and high chromium steel. So this holder is made from high nickel and chromium, so it is very rigid and it can absorb very high load. Machining of pockets after heat treatment. All the machining process is done after heat treatment is complete. The holder is hardened to 40 to 45 HRC through hardened to 40 to 40 HRC and then machining process is done. Threading after heat treatment increases rigid clamping of the insert as we do heat treatment and then machining and threading, so the rigid clamping of insert is maintained. Rake angle of this holder is 6 degrees, side angle is 5 degrees and clearance angle is 60 degrees. And after all the manufacturing process is complete, this holder is nickel coated for rust prevention. Shim thickness. Shim used in this holder is specially made for high load and rigid machining. So thickness of the shim is 6.35 mm. In all type of general holders, the thickness of shim is very less than 6.35. It can absorb more load. It reduces chatter mark during machining, and it can be used for heavy cuts. Application of the holder used for external turning and facing. This is a very frequently used holder and it is used for all type of general turning and facing operations. Heavy roughing operation can be done using this holder, and first choice when stability and security of productive turning of large component is considered. So these are the applications of the holder.